रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम।
Good morning. I am Priyadashini Khan. Today I am going to say a few lines about our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Our beloved Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi, is remembered today in the whole world for his ethics. These four major ethical weapons of Mahatma are non-violence or ahimsa, truth or satya, love and fraternity. Gandhiji was born in Gujarat in a small town named Porbandar on 2nd October 1869. His mother's name is Putlibai and father's name is Karamchand Gandhi. A follower of simple living, high thinking and being the beacon of ahimsa, Bapuji will be remembered today in the whole world for his major virtues. I salute such a great person. Thank you.
चलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
तेरी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
धरती पे लड़ी तूने जब ढंग की लड़ाई, दागी न कहीं तापन बंदूक चलाई, दुश्मन के किले पर दिन की तूने चढ़ाई, वहरे फकीर खूब करामात दिखाई, चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल,
साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
बेटी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
थर सुनकर उनका नाम रे, पग था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे।
Life lessons we learn from teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. Bapu taught to work hard with truth and perseverance to achieve our goals as a nation and individual self. He believed in a nation based on equality, free of any disparities based on religions or caste. These teachings are just a few drops in the ocean of knowledge that is the exemplary life as Mahatma Gandhi.
An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind.
You must be the change you wish to see in the world. The day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know peace. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is the truth. It's the quality of your life that matters, not the speed with which you live. Man is but the product of his thought, what he thinks he becomes.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
The earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not in every man's greed. Be true to yourself. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better than a yes merely uttered to please or worse to avoid trouble.
The future depends on what we do today. Each simple act or decision matters. This statement by Gandhiji teaches us that we are responsible for our futures as our actions in the present.
वैष्णव जन को तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन को तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान नाणे रे वैष्णव जन को तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे सकळ लोकमा सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे केनी रे वाच काछ मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेनी रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे
Gandhi loved children and any gift from a child was invaluable to him. Once, during a meeting, Kaka Kalilkar, an independence activist, saw Gandhi frantically searching for something. What are you searching for, Gandhiji?
I am looking for my own little pencil.
Please take my pencil, Gandhiji.
The pencil was a gift to me from a little boy in Madras, and I cannot lose it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Is this your pencil, Gandhiji?
The pencil is too small, but to me it is invaluable.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम October 1869. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And he's born on 1869 October 2nd. We celebrate 2nd October of every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. He died on 1948. The real hero of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him Bapu. Gandhi Jayanti is the national festival of India. Thank you. Gandhi is also called Bapu. His mother tongue was Gujarati.
हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
जब जब तेरा बिगुल मचा, जवान चल पड़े, मजदूर चल पड़े थे और किसान चल पड़े, हिंदू व मुसलमान सिख पठान चल पड़े, कदमों पे तेरे कोटि कोटि प्राण चल पड़े, फूलों की सेज छोड़ के दौड़े जवाहरलाल।
साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना।
He was a great freedom fighter who led India as a leader of nationalists against British rule. He led the Dandi March, in which he walked 240 miles in 24 days. He is also called Bapu. He started Satyagraha movement and Quiet movement. His leadership helped India got independence in 5th August 1947. Gandhi's famous slogans "Do or Die" and "British leave India." He was killed by Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948. All people respected, loved and respected him for his great work of our country. Happy Gandhi Jayanti to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all the respected teachers and my dear friends. Today is 2nd October, that is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. The complete name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but he was commonly known as Bapu or Father of the Nation. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai and his wife's name was Kasturba Bai. He went to England to study law. He was a great believer in non-violence. He started non-cooperation and non-violent movements to gain freedom from British and gave a slogan lines "Do or Die." Gandhiji was killed on 30 January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. Thank you. खादी मेरा शान है, कर्मी में पूजा, सत्ता मेरा कर्म है और हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान। गांधी जयंती की शुभकामनाएं। a poem on Gandhiji. So let's start. Gandhiji said the slogan "Do or die," and Gandhiji never lied. He used to help everyone, and it's true, not one. Gandhiji was great, and to his work he was never late. Gandhiji was a very good fighter, and he was also the writer. Gandhiji is the father of the nation, and he had very nice education. Gandhiji saved us from British and made us feel like a fish. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Father of the nation, we call him Babu. 2nd October is his birthday. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi is known as Father of Nation. He was born on 2nd October 1869. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. He was a great freedom fighter. We also call him as Babu. Thank you. Non-violence is the weapon of the strong. Are you happy? Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji was born in Gujarat. He started non-violent freedom movement. He is the father of the nation. Jai Hind. Wish you all happy Gandhi Jayanti. गुरमत देखो, गुरमत सुनो, गुरमत बोलो. Raghuputi Nabu, Raja Ram, Puti Topabu, Sita Ram, Jaya, Raja Ram, Jaya 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 Jaya. नमस्कार, मैया मेरे लिए बता दो छोटी छोटी खादी की इससे प्यार करने का तरीका गाने गाने मेरे क्या हमारे लिए आई लव माय इंडिया. थैंक यू. बोले भाले थे हम सबके लगवाले थे, हमें आजादी दिला के स्वयं कष्ट जाते थे, हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा काम करेंगे, जग में ऊंचा नाम करेंगे। हैप्पी गांधी जयंती। गांधी जयंती।